Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to automatically create checklists using ClickUp Automations. This is extremely helpful if you repeat the same steps for tasks over and over, because automations save time and keep everything consistent. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once it loads, sign in to your ClickUp account using your email address and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the space folder and list where you want the checklist automation to run. Automations usually work best at the list level, so make sure you're inside the correct list. Now, at the top of the list, open the Automations section. This is where you create rules that run automatically. Click to add a new automation. ClickUp may show some templates, but for this setup, starting from scratch gives you more control. First, choose a trigger. One of the most common triggers is when a task is created. This means every new task will automatically receive a checklist. You can also choose other triggers like when a task status changes or when someone is assigned, depending on your workflow. Pick the trigger that fits how you work. Next, choose an action. From the list of actions, select the option to add a checklist to the task. ClickUp allows you to add a blank checklist or apply a checklist template. Using a saved checklist template is usually the better option, especially if your process has multiple steps that should stay the same every time. Once the action is set, ClickUp will automatically attach the checklist whenever the trigger happens. For example, every time a new task is created, the checklist appears instantly. No manual setup needed. This works great for onboarding, content workflows, client projects, or recurring tasks. Before turning the automation on, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the trigger and action are correct and that the right checklist template is selected. A quick review helps avoid mistakes later. Finally, enable the automation and test it by creating a new task or triggering the condition you chose. If the checklist appears automatically, then it's working perfectly. And that's it. Automatically creating checklists with ClickUp Automations is a simple but powerful way to standardize your workflow and save time every day. Once it's set up, ClickUp handles the repetitive work for you. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching.